Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are going to discuss new topic. Assalamu alaikum for the new session and new class. This is your new topic for the chapter number 6, that is algebraic manipulation, in which we discuss HCF and LCM. You already discussed in the previous classes HCF 6 and 7. What is HCF? Highest common factor, highest common numbers. Similarly, LCM we will discuss in the later. First of all, today we are going to discuss only what is HCF in algebraic expression. So first of all, we are going to learn what is HCF in algebraic expression. Algebraic expression में हम कैसे HCF को find करते हैं ये हम सीखेंगे. Today we are going to learn how can we find the HCF in the algebra. That's why our topic is algebraic manipulation is the name of chapter, and the first topic is highest common factor, which is known as HCF. In the previous classes, you people know that how can we find the HCF of the given numbers, like if you have 12, 9, and similarly if you have any number 15. We write their multiples. The multiple of 12 are 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Similarly, we write the multiple of 3 multiply 3. Similarly, we write the multiple of 3 into 5. These are the multiple of different number. Now we are going to find its HCF. To find the HCF, first of all, we are going to find their common factors. What are the common factors? We denote them by CF, common factors. What are the common factors here? You can see that only the common number in all three numbers. The common factor which are all in three numbers. In all three numbers. Now, what is the common factor? You can see that the 3, 3, 3. 3 is common in all of them. So, your common factor in all of them is 3. So, we write it is over HCF. That is over HCF. This is the thing which we do in the numbers. Now similarly, when we use algebraic techniques, we will do same things, and we use the question for a exercise. After this example, I'm going to write some example here with the two expression. First of all, look at this one. The number x, q, y, z. Second one is x, y square, z square. This is a two algebraic expression, or two algebraic numbers which I have wrote here. Similarly, as we write the factors of the simple number, real number, I am going to establish their factors. Like, as you know that the factor of this number is, it is called x into x into x into y into z. This is a factor of this number. Now, factor of this number, x is 1 time, y is 2 time, z is also 2 time. Now, again, what is the common factor here? Common factor. How many times? X. You can see that x is 1 time here, 1 time here. So, you write here x in the common. Now, similarly, y is 1 time here, and we select 1 time here, so that becomes xy. Now z is here, z is here, that is xyz. So you can see that this is our basic common factor which are involved in these two expressions, that is HCF. So we write here x, y, z is your. So that is the simple way to find the HCF of that type of number. Clear? This is your answer. Now I am going to solve a question from the exercise 6.1. Similar type of a question, and we will solve it by two different ways. So exercise 6.1. The question is, find the HCF of, question number 1, find the HCF of the following. I split the whiteboard into two parts that can easily solve our questions. The first part is 39 x7 y cube z y cube z. Clear? Second one is 91 x5 y6 z7 y6 z7. Clear? That is our questions. Now we have to write the factors. Now we have numbers here first. You can see that we have some numbers here. Look at this. That is a 39. That is 91. So first of all, we write there common factor. We are going to write there common factors. That is by using the prime factorization. 3, 13, 3, 1. So we write here 3 into 13. Similarly, how many times of x? 7 times. So we write the x 7 times here. X 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many times we have y? Y cube. 3 times y. So we write here y into y into y. How many times we have z? Z we have 1 time. So we write the factors of 39 x7 y cube z. Now on the other number we have another number which is 91. 91 is the only factor of 7, okay, and 13. So we write here 7 into 13, 13 into 1. Now we are going to write again its factors. X is 5 times, y is 6 times, z is 7 times. So we write here 7 into 13, x into x, 5 times, y 6 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, z 7 times. It is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're done. Now we are going to write their common factors. What are the common factors? You can see that what is the common here? Only 13. In numbers we have only common number is 13. Now you can see that how many times x are here? 7. How many times x are here? 5 times. So select 5 from here. I'm using this one. I'm using this one. 5 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will. So write similarly 5 times here. So that is our first number, that is x 5. 5 times common. Similarly we use y. How many times is y here? Y is 3 times here. So we select it 3 times. Similarly 3 times here. Now we write, because it is a 3 times common. So we write here y cube. How many times z? You can see that z is only here 1 time. So we select only 1 time z from both of them. That is our common number. So we write z. That is your answer, 13x5 y cube z. That is your final answer, which is HCF. CF के साथ हम H ऐड करके इसको highest common factors establish कर देंगे. This is our question number 1. I'm going to repeat once again that you can easily understand what is our topic. Our topic is highest common factors in the chapter number 6, that is algebraic manipulations. First we learn that First we learn that what is a algebraic expression. In the algebraic expression we have to find first HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Highest common factors को find out करने के लिए first of all we write their factor. Like this question we have two type of numbers 39x7 y cube z 91xy y6 z7. Now we write the factor of first one 3 into 13 7 times x 3 times 3 y 1 times z. Similarly we write the factor of 91 7 into 13 5 times x 6 times y and 7 times z. Now we select the common factor. You can see that only 30 is common in both of them. Similarly, x is 5 times common, y is 3 times common, z is 1 time. That's why it is your answer. HCF is 13x y cube z.